Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself Vipin Mishra. Welcome you all in this video where I am going to discuss about the top engineering colleges of India. We are almost wondering about this particular question, that what are the top institutes in India. So I am going to answer all your question in this video where I am going to cover about all top IITs, NITs and other than IITs and IITs, what are the top engineering colleges are there in India. I am going to talk about their rankings, their placements and their admission process. Why this topic is important? Because choosing the right college sets the foundation for a successful career. So first of all, I am going to talk about the ranking. MHRD. MHRD sets a parameter of ranking in India, and that parameter is NIRF ranking. It stands for National Institutional Ranking Framework. So NIRF evaluates and ranks Indian higher educational institutes, and based upon the ranking we can judge the top colleges. What are the key parameters on which NIRF judge the colleges? So these key parameters are their teaching, learning and resources. What are the teaching requirements, environment and requirements are there? What are the learning processes are there? What are the different resources that those institutes are having? What type of research they are conducting? What type of professional practices they are doing? How much is their graduation outcomes, how much is their outreach and inclusivity, and basically ultimately what is very important is what is their perception in the market, right? So on these behalf NIRF judges a particular college, right? Why the NIRF ranking is important? Because it will help you understand that what are the top colleges. It guides the recruiters as well to recruit from the top colleges, and it also encourages the competition among the colleges, so they will always be striving for becoming the best in the country, right? Now, so if I talk about the top IITs in India, so top IITs in India are IIT Madras is on the top. Okay, this ranking I have selected on behalf of top engineering colleges, right? So IIT Madras is on the top, IIT Delhi is on the second rank, IIT Bombay stood third, IIT Kanpur stood fourth, IIT Kharagpur is fifth, IIT Roorkee is sixth, and IIT Guwahati is seventh. IIT Hyderabad amongst the new IIT is on ninth place, and IIT BHU is on the 10th place. And just see the average packages that these IITs have offered, the students have got from these IITs, right? So if I talk about IIT Madras, it is around 21, IIT Delhi it is around 20, IIT Bombay 22, IIT Kanpur 19, IIT Kharagpur 18, IIT Roorkee 17, IIT Guwahati 15, IIT Hyderabad 20 and IIT BHU 15. So these are the top 10 IITs in the country. What is the admission process for BTech? They recruit for BTech it is JEE, and for MTech it is GATE, right? These are the top IITs of the country. Now, if I talk about the NITs, again the admission process in NIT is going to be the JEE for BTech and GATE for MTech. And if I talk about the top NITs, so NIT Tirchi is the top NIT and its NIRF ranking is 9th. NIT Surathkal, Warangal and Calicut, they stands after Tirchi and their ranking is around 17, 19 and 21. NIT Rourkela, Nagpur and Silchar stands after these NITs and their rankings are 25, 39 and 40. Then we have MNIT Jaipur and NIT Durgapur, and their rankings are 43 and 44. So these are the top NITs in the country, and just have a look over the average package that they are offering. So their average package is almost less than the IIT's package, but not as less as we normally think, right? So their package is also very good. So if I talk about NIT Tirchi, which is the top NIT, is offering you a LPA of 14 lakh per annum, right? So average package at NIT Tirchi for engineering student is around 14 lakh per annum, right? Similarly, if I talk about NIT Durgapur, so it stands at 44. MNIT Jaipur, they stands at 43, but their average package is around 11 and 13 lakh per annum. Similarly, you can see the average package for other institutes. So these are the top NITs in the country. Now, apart from IIT and IIT, what are the other top institutes of the country? So we have some other top institutes as well. For example, IISc Bangalore. IISc Bangalore is the #1 institute in terms of research category, and in terms of university ranking, if I talk about, IISc Bangalore is the #1 institutes in India. IIT Madras is number 1 in terms of engineering category. IIC Bangalore is number 1 in terms of research category or in terms of university ranking, right? This is the number 1 university. What was the average package that the students were getting at IIC Bangalore? So at IIC Bangalore, the average package is around 28 lakh per annum that you can expect. After that, what are the other colleges apart from IIT, IIC and NIT? So we have VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology, doing very good. Ranking is 11th. Average package is 10 lakh per annum. Jadavpur University ranked 12 among the engineering category and average package is around 15 lakh per annum. SRMIT Chennai ranked 13 in the NIRF ranking in terms of engineering colleges. The average package is 8. Anna University ranked 14 and average package is 8.5. BITS Pilani, one of the finest institute in India, ranking 20 and average package around 30 lakh per annum, very high package, right? So these are the top institutes, right? We talked about IITs and their ranking and average package. We talk about NIT, their ranking and average package, and we talk about other than IIT, IT, what are the top institutes and their ranking and package, right? So if you are having a very good rank and you are confused about that which college I have to choose, then this video is going to help you, right? On these parameters, you can judge a particular college, right? If a college is having a very good NIRF ranking, that means he is very good in terms of teaching, learning, resources, research, perception, placements and everything, right? Now, why to choose these top colleges? Because ultimately you will be getting a very high placement, right? So these were the average package that I talked about, but in terms of high packages, if I talk about, you will be having an opportunity to get as high packages as up to 1 crore per annum, right? So strong alumni network they have, okay? Global leadership roles you will be getting, cutting edge resources and research opportunities are also available in terms of AI, robotics and sustainable energy. And also they have their very good industrial collaborations with companies such as Google, Microsoft and Tesla, right? And you will be having an opportunity to get package up to more than crore as well, right? 1 crore per annum, correct? So writing LPA is not good here. You will be having an opportunity to get a package up to 1 crore per annum as well, correct? So guys, these many opportunities are waiting for you, and I hope that if you have a good rank and you are trying to decide what colleges will be best for you, this video is going to help you out, right? Now after this video, I hope that this will help you in getting knowledge about the top institutes. I would like to request you that join our Telegram channel so that you will keep on getting the regular feeds about all these information. The link is given in the description box. And if you are a GATE 26-27 aspirant, you can join our live online program where we are giving you 800 plus hours of live online classes, exceptional material in terms of theory book and exercise book, personalized mentorship session, 130 plus online test as well. So if you want to take admission, you can book a free counseling session by calling on these numbers. And you can also join our GATE Zero Fee program to enjoy free learning of 50 hours of content, subject test, chapter test and solution of GATE 24 and 25 papers as well. These are the top rankers that we have produced. They have written their success with us. You can be the next as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video is going to help you in deciding the college.